This is Control Post Flyover at Assunta Cathedral, there at Control. This is the new flyover that was opened last year. 1 year of opening. I returned here to show you guys how this place still look like. Guys, in this video, stay tuned, watch this video to the end. You will see that this flyover is still reporting after opening it. This is 1 year past of opening this flyover, and this flyover still look the same. So guys, everywhere was neat, clean and maintained. This is what I love about this place. So guys, I will be taking you along to this place now to show you how this place look like. It's not what they told you or what you heard or what people are saying. If you have not used your leg and come to this place and see how neat this place still look like, and see how the cars are respecting themselves in this place, you will not believe and you will not know that the flyover is still kept controlled. Guys, this is how this place look like. This is how this place is still beautiful. You can see everywhere. You can see how everywhere look like. You can see. So guys, this is one of the best thing the governor have done for the Imolites. You know, talking about the governor, every time I say about him, people say that I am promoting him, that I'm saying good things about him. When you do good things, people will not even stop talking about your good deeds. See the under of the flyover. I will take you guys along in this video. Don't go anywhere. Watch to the end. See how cars are moving. See how everywhere is neat, clean. These cars now are going to Umuahia side. Let me cross and show you guys. When somebody is doing good things, you say, yes, this person is doing good things. You see, let's go to the under of it. This is the under of the flyover, the Control Post flyover. Let me take you near the Assunta Cathedral fence. This is the under. You see how everywhere is clean. You see how good this structure is. You see these cars now coming from Port Harcourt Road, going down to inside town. You see the under of the flyover, how neat, clean it is. Let us cross over. I will show you guys. This is the fence of the Assunta Cathedral. Let me show you guys. This is the gate of Assunta. You see, stay in this gate side, viewing under this flyover. You see how clean. You see how the cars are moving. Guys, whatever they told you about this flyover that is negative, guys, don't listen to them. This flyover is one of the best flyover in Nigeria. It's one of the best flyover in Nigeria, in Africa. Don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe. Hooe Umuahia have really tried, and I love that man so much. Thank you, sir, His Excellency. The flyover is still reporting the way it is. Thank you.